Hello everyone, I wish you a beautiful weekend. Today is Saturday, and normally Bitcoin in Saturday is very slow and boring, but actually we're having some very nice movements. As we spoke in our latest videos, we are in a diagonal 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and we are currently in the fifth wave of that diagonal. The beautiful thing is that we have broken the main resistance here, the point of control, and we had also a very small point of control as well here. We just broke it a few hours ago. And these are great news because the pattern is on its way to be completed once we hit the 60,400. And the diagonal normal is made of 5 waves. Each wave should be a zigzag, which we can see the wave 1 here, a zigzag, perfect zigzag also as here for the wave 2, also for the wave 3, another zigzag. Also here we can see a complex WXY, which it can be typical for wave 4, and now we are on our way to a wave 5, which is also forming the zigzag as we spoke in our last videos. So yeah, those are perfect news. That means a lot. That means when we have an impulsive direction, yeah, after the trend down, we get 5 waves, yeah, rather than 3 waves. 3 wave means this is a correction, and then it has to continue the trend down. But since we got a 5 waves, which are impulsive, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that means we are going to get 3 waves after as correction, and then we continue the trend up, which is very bullish now a scenario for Bitcoin. Of course, everything is still possibilities, but the possibilities are very high now for a bullish scenario for Bitcoin. And the beautiful thing is that the German government has just finished all its BTC that it has. They have like almost 3 billion, and as you can see now, they have just $215 to sell, and which is perfect. And that means a lot. Also, it's a very good sign that it did not affect even the next wave of Bitcoin towards the upside. And these are great news. We will not see any sudden movement towards the downside. As we saw here, it was very choppy. These are all the Germans' BTC cells. Okay, but however, with Elliott Wave, it always can track the sentiments and the psychology of the market, and when could the future cells comes in. So good news. Yeah, this is what I want to share with you today. Of course, tomorrow we have a Sunday, which is gonna be also perfect to continue a trend. There is no news, no sales by governments or by ways or by the US market. So basically we gonna continue up until we reach this target, hopefully. And yeah, after that, just wait for a correction, 3 waves for a wave 2, because this whole diagonal is gonna be considered as wave 1, and then the correction is gonna be considered as wave 2, and then we start a very big impulse to the upside. So this is the start of the impulse. Then we go in a wave 3. The wave 3, of course, should be made also of 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5. And this is a great sign here that we are getting for the next wave for Bitcoin. And of course, this comes all of it from the full bull run of Bitcoin. We can see it here on the daily chart. As you can see, we have, if I turn off this just for less things here, yeah, we can see already into our cycle scenario. Here we go. Yeah, we have already a big impulse as a bull run. 1, 2, 3, 4, and actually we just bottomed now in the wave 4, which was confirmed by this diagonal that we are into it now. And then the 5th wave of the bull run is coming next, which could be over than 85,000 at least. But that the target of the wave 5 will be estimated clearly after we get a confirmation of the diagonal, wave 1 and wave 2, then we get the Fibonacci level of it. We might not reach it directly, so we might have an impulse for a small impulse first, and which is gonna be considered also again 1, 2, 3, as this is gonna be 1, and then 2 again, and then the 3 bigger one towards the upside. So this is what we are watching for. The beautiful thing is that we got 5 waves to the upside, which is kind of a confirmation that the downtrend might end soon. And yeah, happy days for everyone. I think that brings some happiness for yeah, a lot of traders, because of course we all know that buying Bitcoin is kind of like better option than selling, even as trader, because yeah, of the strong bull market in crypto market. So that was it for the updates. I hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button, and see you in the next video.